Still in the nation's capital, Justice Olukayode Adeniyi of the FCT High Court has struck out a 13-count charge of bribery filed by EFCC against the former Director of Legal, Minister of Petroleum Resources Grace Taiga. The judge struck out the case after counsel to Mrs Tiaga presented her death certificate to the court. Judiciary correspondent Celestina Area reports.
The death of a defendant automatically terminates the charge against such defendants. This is the case of Grace Taiga, as her lawyer presented a death certificate obtained from the National Populations Commission to the court, confirming she died on 1st August 2023 at a hospital in Abuja. Mrs Tiaga was standing trial on allegations of bribery in the controversial gas supply processing agreement between the Process and Industrial Development and the federal government of Nigeria. The EFCC have alleged that she received the bribe through her offshore bank account in signing the agreement. The EFCC had closed its case against her after calling 8 witnesses. She was to open her defense when her counsel informed the court of her demise. At the last adjournment, counsel to Mrs Tiaga had presented a letter titled Hospital Death Declaration from Primus International Super Specialist Hospital, Cairo, New Extension, Abuja, to notify the court of her deaths. Counsel to the EFCC had insisted on her death certificate, which was presented. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.
Well, let's turn now to Plateau State, where the